We're officially at the Gotemba Premium Outlets, guys. I don't know how big this place is, but we drove 5 minutes to get to this parking lot. So from the main entrance, probably going to take us a couple of hours just to get through this whole thing. We've got a shopping list of stuff that we want. I want a hat, shorts, t-shirts. I need a new bag because this one is actually ripping. What are you looking for?
I don't know. They'll be fine.
Oh, look, first off the ranking, Dolce & Gabbana. A lot of the shops might be just a bit over our budget anyways. Guys, check this out. Where else can you go shopping in the world with a view like that? Wow. I'll try zoom in as much as I can on the video, but basically right behind me, just there, is Mount Fuji. Wow, what an absolute awesome view. Wow, look at that, guys. Amazing. What an awesome view. Hopefully we can find some good deals here. So I went into Tumi and then I also went into Oro Bianco. Alright, fair enough, they're probably high-end bags, but there was a satchel there in Oro Bianco. It was 33,000 yen, which is what, 336 odd dollars. That's pretty expensive, I think. All right, JT's seen on the screen here that there's a QR code you can basically scan through, and then it gives you mobile coupons. So JT's just waiting for that so she can scan it through and then use some coupons in the shops. Everyone's waiting patiently. Everyone's got their phones out. We're going to go into the Adidas store and see what they've got here. There's usually a big sale. Quick, everybody, quick.
I didn't even scan.
Oh no, we gotta wait again now. We're gonna go into the Adidas store now.
Extra 20% off sale. I think that one's men's. You get 20% off sale as well. Is that 30? That's 30% off.
79 bucks.
That's sale.
Huh?
So you get 30% off.
Oh.
These are pretty cool too.
Rain dry.
40 bucks.
Not 50 bucks for this.
What'd you get?
I'll just take that. What do you reckon? Huh? We gotta get one with Japan.
Can you say the theme? Because all black and white that he wears.
Alright, let's go pay.
Let's go. But they didn't have the hat. Remember the hat that we tried on at Rinku?
You gotta buy.
Konnichiwa.
M サイズでは間違いないですか?
Medium, yeah, good.
Okay?
Yep. The kids wanted to go into this place called Plaza, which I have no idea what's in there. Must be, oh, of course, it's girly stuff. Konnichiwa. I love this place where there's little lollies and stuff.
Look at the
They're so popular.
They're basically babies. Yeah, it's $11 here, 60 bucks in Australia. I got a Sonny Angel. This is the one that stands up and it's an animal pack. Guess what I got? I got a little elephant. It's so cute.
Guys, I'm so petrified of this because look at the back. Look at the back.
Anyway, it's really cute.
Alright guys, we're still on the hunt for a satchel bag. I just went into Polo Ralph Lauren thinking that they might have some there. It's a big store, but I didn't see any in there, so we're going to keep hunting out for them. Hopefully we'll pick one up today before we leave. We've also got a lot of golf stores here. Even in the Rinku Premium Outlets, there were so many golf stores as well. Must be a very popular sport here. I found Nike, so we're going to go check it out. Hopefully Nike have got some bags and hopefully Nike have got some shorts because we really need to get some more shorts. Konnichiwa. Alright, B wants to find Nike Air 270s. We went to Rinku Premium Outlets and they didn't have any, so we're going to try our luck here.
No.
Well, we just got told there's no filming inside Nike, but stick with us. We've still got plenty to show you around the outlets.
Alright guys, we just walked out of the Nike factory. We did have a quick look around. The girls ended up buying some shoes. I'm sure they're super excited about it.
I got baby blue shoes.
So B got some pink and white ones, and M got these baby blue shoes.
But they come with like a white shoelace, not these ones, but I don't like them.
I also picked up a pair of shorts from inside there. I think the total was around $200 for the 2 shoes and the shorts. Now what we're doing is going into the food bazaar, and we're gonna go try find some food. Hopefully, fingers crossed, they've got some ramen in here because we've been craving ramen. So
Okay, so I got it's a pork katsu curry. It's like a chicken schnitzel. Clearly don't know how to eat with chopsticks. Look,
No fork?
I've just drenched it. Give me my hands.
wow.
Wow,
What does it taste like?
like a curry, like a satay curry basically. That's what I feel like it tastes like.
Yeah.
With like a pork schnitzel and rice. Wow, that's really nice.
All right, guys, I got a pork ramen. It's a pork broth. There's a piece of pork in there. They threw an egg in there as well. I saw them. I think that's mushroom shoots. Filled it up with onions as well and a seaweed piece. But the broth has got so much garlic in it. Like every ramen I've had here so far has just been full of garlic. I'm not sure whether that's normal, but I've also thrown in some chili flakes in there. Look at that. Let's see if I can filter some of the garlic out. Nope, no chance. Good luck to us.
Let's eat the garlic.
Oh, it's hot. Oh, wow, I just burnt everything on the
You try
inside.
yourself.
Oh, fuck. Yeah. Whoops.
Oh,
Sorry. It's actually pretty nice, but I think the ones that we have back in Sydney, the one that I normally have back in Sydney, I don't know if it's my taste buds are just used to it, but that one tasted a bit better. Right. Pork is alright, it's a bit dry, but then again, this isn't a restaurant. Just remember that this is a food court in a shopping center. So when you compare it to that quality, I think it's alright. Alright guys, so we just finished eating the food there. We're gonna go into Arc'teryx to see if they've got the bags there. I think there's another section of these premium outlets. Right now the rest of these shops are all for golf. So we're gonna go hop across to the other section and see what there is over there and see if we can find anything. So apparently there's a bridge that connects you from where we are right now. We were at P7. There's a bridge that connects you and takes you to the other part of the outlets where there's more stores. So we're still trying to hunt down Puma and a few other shops down there. This place is absolutely massive. Check out this view at the premium outlets in Gotemba. Wow. We're literally walking towards Mount Fuji and we're at the premium outlets. Amazing. All right guys, we're just outside Coach at the moment. Everyone else is in there shopping. They're pretty strict on recording inside the store, so they keep telling you to turn the cameras off. But that's all right, respect their rules. So everyone's in there having a look. There's a fairly reasonable discount when you're at Coach, especially. So there was a sling bag that I saw in there. It was $7.85 normally. Then they've got a minus 50% off. Plus they give you an extra 25% off when you purchase it here. And you also don't pay any tax. That $800 bag ended up being like $270, which is a awesome deal. Quite a lot of stores, and this place is open till 8 o'clock. It's around 4:30 right now. Wow, guys, look at that. Look at that view. Wow. That's crazy. Sun setting, and there's Fuji Mountain right behind us. We're just walking up to the other section now. There's a hillside section as well.
wow.
So I think the sports stores are all over there. Back there was all the expensive brands like Versace, Gucci, Fendi, Burberry. Steph has been a high roller. He bought 3 Coach bags. That's how you do it. And that's the view behind us. Wow, look at that. Look at that view. Wow. The sun setting over Mount Fuji while we're at Gotemba Premium Outlets. Wow, guys. Absolutely amazing. Look at that. Wow. What a cool spot to be at for sunset. We're going to plow through some of these sports stores here now, and hopefully we can find what we need and hit the road to head back to Tokyo. We finally found the Puma store and the Under Armour store. So we're going to jump across into these and see if we can find anything before we hit the road. We just finished up here. We went into the Puma store, Julie found another pair of shoes, and Emily picked up the same ones as her. We'll show you guys when we're back into the hotel what those shoes look like. They're trying to figure out where we need to go back to the car. We're at P7.
Guys, we got matching shoes. Me and Mom got matching shoes. They're both cheetah print shoes.
Let's go.
And they're beige. So I'm really glad I got them.
The place looks absolutely amazing. We saw the sun setting over Mount Fuji, which was unreal. Now we just need to figure out our way back to the car. I think we are lost. But we failed, guys. We didn't find a bag. We did find shorts. We found a t-shirt. We didn't find a hat. So it looks like we're going to have to do some more retail therapy when we get to Tokyo. Time?
Yay!
Everyone tired?
Yay!
Thanks so much for watching. It really means a lot to us. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, drop a comment and subscribe to support the channel. Every bit helps us keep these adventures going. And stay tuned, in our next Japan video we finally tick off a bucket list dream at Tokyo Disneyland. You won't want to miss it. See you in the next one.